Hello everyone. Today we are starting a full Python programming series from absolute zero. If you have never coded before, that is perfectly fine. In fact, this video is designed so clearly that even a 10-year-old can understand it. Let me start with a simple idea. A computer is very powerful, but it is also very literal. It does not guess what you mean. It does not understand like a human. It only follows instructions, step by step, exactly as you tell it. So the big question is, how do we give instructions to a computer? That is where Python comes in. By the end of this video, you will understand what Python is, why Python is so popular, how it is different from other languages, and where Python is used in real life, like YouTube, Netflix, Google, AI, data science, and automation. Python Episode 1. What is Python? Let us explain Python in the simplest way. Python is a language, not a spoken language like English or Telugu or Hindi, but a programming language. A programming language is like a special way to write instructions so that a computer can follow them. Imagine you have a robot at home. If you want the robot to do something, you must give instructions in a way the robot understands. For example, you might say, "Robot, go to the kitchen." "Robot, pick up a glass." "Robot, fill it with water." "Robot, bring it back." That is basically what programming is, giving instructions. Python is one of the easiest programming languages for humans to read and write. Python was designed to look clean, simple, and close to normal English. Now let me show a tiny example. If I want the computer to show words on the screen, in Python I write print, hello world. That means, computer, please print these words. Look at it carefully. The word print literally means print, so even a beginner can guess what it does. In many other languages, printing can look more complicated, but Python tries to keep things easy. So strong first definition is Python is a programming language used to give instructions to a computer in a simple and readable way. Python strict. A simple language to instruct computers. Will show print hello world, big on screen, then show output. Hello world 4:8:30. Why do we need programming languages at all? Now you may ask, why do we need Python or any programming language? Why can we not talk to computers directly? The truth is, computers do not understand English. Computers only understand something called machine language, which is basically 0 and 1. Yes, just zeros and ones. For a human, writing zeros and ones is painful and slow. So programming languages were created as a bridge. Think of it like this. You speak English. The computer speaks 0-1 language. Python is like a translator. You write instructions in Python, and then Python helps convert that into something the computer can run. That is why coding exists. Now another simple example. If I say in English, add 2 and 3 and tell me the result. In Python, we can write print to 2 plus to 3, and the computer will show 5, so programming language. A translator that makes it easy for humans to control computers. 8:30 to 16:30. Why Python is so popular. Real reasons with simple examples. Now let us answer the big question, why is Python so popular? I will give you 5 reasons, and each reason will be explained with a simple example. Reason 1. Python is easy to read. Python code looks like plain English. For example, imagine you want to check if someone is older than 18. In Python you can write, if age 18, print adult, else print not adult. Even if you do not know coding, you can still guess, if age is greater than 18, print adult, otherwise print not adult. That is Python's power. Reason 2, Python is easy to learn. Many languages force beginners to write extra symbols and complex structure before they can even do simple things. Python lets beginners start fast. You can create your first useful program in day 1. Reason 3, Python is used everywhere. Python is not limited to one area. It is used in websites, apps, data science, automation, cybersecurity, AI, and more. So learning Python gives you many career paths. Reason 4, Python has huge libraries. Libraries are like ready-made toolboxes. If you want to do math, Python has libraries. If you want to work with Excel files, Python has libraries. If you want to build AI, Python has libraries. If you want to make websites, Python has libraries. Instead of building everything from scratch, you reuse existing tools. That saves time. Reason 5, Python has a big community. When you're learning, you will face errors. Everyone faces errors. Python has millions of learners and developers worldwide. So almost any error you face already has an answer online. So Python is popular because it is easy, powerful, and supported. Python is popular because easy plus powerful plus tools everywhere, plus libraries, plus community. $16, $30, $26. Python versus other languages. Explain for beginners. Now let us compare Python with other languages. Not to insult any language. Every language has its own purpose. But we want to understand where Python fits. Python versus C. C is very fast and close to the machine. C is used for operating systems and embedded systems, but C is harder for beginners. In C, printing looks like printf, hello world. You must also manage things like memory more carefully. Python is slower than C in many cases, but Python is much easier. So people often choose Python when they want to build fast, not necessarily run fastest. Python versus Java is widely used in big enterprise systems and Android apps. Java can be more strict and longer. Python usually needs fewer lines to do the same work. Simple idea. Java is like a big truck, powerful, structured. Python is like a fast bike. Quick to start, easy to move, very flexible. Python versus JavaScript. JavaScript is the king of the browser. It is used for front-end websites and also back-end using Node. JS Python is commonly used in back-end, automation, AI, and data science, so JavaScript is often used when your main goal is web pages. Python is often used when your goal is data, automation, AI, and back-end. The main difference, Python is designed for readability and speed of development. Other languages might be designed mainly for speed, strictness, or specific platforms. In Python, easiest to learn and plus fastest to build. C, fastest performance. Java, enterprise plus strict structure. JavaScript, web browser focus, 26 out 38 Sci, where Python is used. Real-life scenarios a child can picture. Now let us talk about where Python is used. To make this easy, I will give real-life examples. 1. Automation. Python as a robot helper. Imagine you do a boring task every day, renaming 200 files, copying data from one place to another, sending the same email again and again, creating a report every week. Python can do that for you automatically. So Python is like a robot assistant for repetitive work. 2. Websites and web apps. When you open a website, many things happen behind the scenes. User login, database, sending messages, payments. Python frameworks like Django and Flask help build such websites. 3. Data science. Python is a smart calculator. Companies have lots of data. Sales data, customer data, traffic data. Python can help clean the data, find patterns, make graphs, predict future trends. 4. AI and machine learning. If you have heard about AI like chatbots, image recognition, recommendation systems, Python is one of the main languages used in AI. Example, Netflix recommends movies, YouTube recommends videos, shopping sites recommend products. Behind those recommendations, data plus AI works, and Python is heavily used. 5. Cybersecurity. Python helps security teams scan systems, detect threats, and automate security checks. 6. Games and fun projects. Python can be used to make games, simple apps, and fun tools. Even a beginner can build a quiz game, calculator, or small chatbot. So Python is used in both serious and fun projects. Python use cases, automation, to web, for data, AI, security, apps. 38 is 46 to Versailles. A simple Python mindset, demo, no coding required. Now, I want to teach you the Python mindset using a simple example. Imagine you want to make tea. A human says, make tea. But the computer cannot understand make tea. It needs steps, so you must break it down. Step 1, take a cup. Step 2, add tea powder. Step 3, add hot water. Step 4, add sugar. Step 5, stir. Step 6, serve. Programming is breaking a big goal into small steps. Python makes it easy to write those steps. So the most important skill is not memorizing code. The most important skill is learning to think in steps. And that is exactly what we will practice in this series. Programming, Orange, breaking big problems into small steps. T-steps, list animation, 46 to 50, keywords, what you need to become good at Python. Let me tell you what you need to succeed. You need consistency, small learning every day, practice, write code, not just watch videos, patience, errors are normal, curiosity, ask why and how. If your code fails, that is not failure. That is how learning happens. Even senior developers make mistakes. The difference is they know how to debug calmly. We will build that calm confidence step by step. 50 faust bat 52 punazos close plus. Next episode, teaser. Now you understand what Python is, why it is different, and where it is used. In the next episode, we will install Python and write your first program. We will also learn what is an interpreter, what is an IDE, and how to run Python code step by step. Subscribe, and let's continue this journey. Next, install Python plus first program